Hi, Deadlocks here again, and today I want to pick this Belfry, the Coxie pick sent us a while ago.
That you haven't been able to do until now.
It came in a box.
Well, isn't that fabulous?
It is.
And you complained about me getting excited over a box.
Strongly made and galvanized finish and includes 2 nickel-plated keys. I should oil it occasionally.
Do you?
Sound and secure. I haven't had it there long enough to have oiled it occasionally.
Well, you could have, because you could have occasionally oiled it. And that just means oiling it occasionally.
Works nice. It took us a while to be able to pick this, but the problem that I actually had was I was leaving number 4 up with my tensioner. Now, I've learnt that...
How to do it properly.
Yep, if I turn it, give it a little jiggle, then it'll leave the clicks back down. A little bit of jiggly wiggly.
Don't you steal my words. Who do you think you are? Eh? Eh? Copyrighted that, mister. That's my catchphrase.
I probably should have put my wire in before the jiggly wiggly.
Stop. Stealing my words.
Not your words. They're all in the dictionary.
And that means nothing. Because I own a dictionary, so that means I own all the words. If you say it's in a dictionary, that means I own a dictionary, I own all the words. And not all of the words are in a dictionary. I can't fit all of the words in the dictionary.
I say.
Well, they can't. Otherwise, the dictionary is going to be huge and there's always new words being made up. And there's old words as well that there's no longer in the dictionary. So, tell them porky pies. Not all of the words are in the dictionary. Unless it's like my auntie's dictionary. Because then all of the words are in the dictionary because she makes up words and adds them to the dictionary. That's why you don't play Scrabble with my auntie.
She adds words to a dictionary.
Yeah, the back of a dictionary when you play Scrabble. If she's got a word that she uses and that she thinks, well, she says is a word, but isn't in the dictionary, she'll add it to the dictionary at the back.
Say.
Because obviously the dictionary doesn't have all of the words in there. Because there's millions of words. And there's words that are like, because half of our words are part English, part French, part Spanish. They all mix in together. It's what English is made up of, just so many different things.
This feels like it should be open and it's not.
Or you normally, remember last time you had to bash it. Don't bash it too loud because you'll wake a puppy up.
Oh, I'm not at that point yet.
But either way, not all of the dishes, or not all of the words are in the dictionary. Getting hand cramp.
Yeah.
I'm making bubbles. Oh, I did make a bubble.
There we go. So, that's it open, but it doesn't actually open because I haven't thrown the bolt all the way because my tensioner isn't quite long enough. So to fix that, we bash it.
Scared the puppy. Oh, baby. Come here, little man. What you doing? Come on, then.
And now it's open.
And now we have a scared puppy.
He's fine.
Go and get him and bring him here so he can have a cuddle.
Okay. Does that look like a scared puppy?
It looks like a very spoiled puppy.
It does look like a spoiled puppy.
He just took all of his toys and just threw them.
And all of the stolen socks.
Yeah, he likes socks. There's more toys underneath his bed. He's got them pushed underneath his bed as well.
Anyway, that's all from us.
See you next time.
He's stealing my stuff again.
Yeah, because it just doesn't flow right when you say it. Because you get to say two things, and then I only get to say one thing. So this way you still
But
say
that
two
way,
things.
it's still going to be me saying two things, because then I would say,
but,
and then you would say, see you next time, and I would say bye. So
and then
it
I
would
would
still be
say
two
bye
things.
as well. So then
But then you would.
But then it would be equal, because then it's one after
Yeah, but
the
that's
other.
not what we say, though.
But that's just...
Anyway, that's all from us.
See you next time.
That's all from us. See you next time. That's all from us. See you next time.
Okay, I'll let you do it.
That's all from us.
See you next time.
Swear words almost came out.
I'm in a funny mood. Do it.
That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye.